I'm gonna be heading to GameStop right now because I broke my controller and I gotta get a new one. And I got warranty on it, so it's okay. Yep. Pretty gnarly. I'm not right now. I'll go do that. So I just got back in GameStop and replaced my controller. Unfortunately, they did not have any more blue, so I had to get a black one. But it's okay because I don't really care. I forgot how to open these. Just because. There we go. Oh wow, it snapped it in there. Cool beans. So anyway, got the new controller now. I had enough credits on my GameStop account to get another 1-year warranty. So if anything happens to this, like me throwing it across the bedroom, I can replace it without any questions asked. So pretty funny. I brought in the other one and I put the because I broke this off of it, and when I put the piece next to the controller, they just looked at it just like, yeah, we can replace it for you. It was pretty funny, the reaction. Oh yeah, I gotta sync this now. It worked! Yay. So now I got my new controller. Again. Yeah. Hopefully I don't have to replace it, but if I do have to, it's not a big deal. But yeah. Anyways, I have to head out now because Ralph wants to hang out. Probably most likely Ralph and Jihad. So yeah. Anyway. Alright, I'm off to Ryan's. Got my bike out of the garage. Now let's go see what those motherfuckers are up to. Alright, made it to Ralph. So let's see what those guys are up to. Oh, we're locked out, boys.
The fuck do you want? Who are you? Buddy, get that.
Who are you?
Buddy, get that.
Hey, buddy. I'm the boy. Yeah. Anyway, we are heading to pick up. I almost said Debo for some reason. Jimbo, and we're gonna go to the crater and have a bonfire because apparently Joel wants to do that.
Sorry. Pounding them down. You're just gonna have random footage of me going,
Yeah.
pounding them down.
Hey guys!
Document.
Yeah. I'm documenting today. And my camera's already on battery.
What? Watching J tits, Ralph and stuff, a pea chunk. Chubs.
Chub. Yep, here we go.
Oh Jesus, I almost did such a dumbass one. Orange here. Look.
Oh, look at that shit. That's decent.
Yeah, dude, that'd be good fishing worm right there. Here's another. Just gotta make sure you don't break them. I think I broke them. Look at all the worms in here, dude. Look. Yep. Oh, there's one in the log too, look.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Oh, he's going in.
Whatever, all we can do.
It's breaking! It's breaking! Somebody find something!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's breaking! Alright, somebody find something quick.
Give him a hold of this and I'll go help.
Are you documenting?
Yes! Just document the fire and I'll go find stuff to support the fire.
Oh, jeez.
We have turbulence.
Hey, Shubs, I'm in control now.
And we gonna find something.
He's freaking out, guys. And stuff. Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, da.
It's like that.
Oh man.
Hey, Shubs. Sorry for the ridiculous scribing, but oops. I think it was this way. Uncle Mommy. G. Oh, that's my hand. There's G Biz. And the
G-Biz.
guys is. Where's the guys? Oh, he's way down there. I don't know if you can see him, Shubs. Hold on. See him? He's like a squatch in the woods. Fucking awesome. Anyways. Scrappy-doo. Scrappy-doo. Duh. Anyways. Frisky biscuits.
You're a risky biscuit.
A risky biscuit. J-Biz, the Risky Biscuit. Oh my god. The guys, he's a squatching in the woods over there. I don't know if you can see him. I'm gonna zoom up with his phone. There's the guys. I think we got a live in, guys. Oh yeah. He's just squashing through the woods. Oh Jesus. Live footage of a Sasquatch. And he's carrying sticks! Oh, Whiz Kit. Oh, Jizz Kit. Anyways. Keep recording, guys!
Oh, Jesus.
I found some more support logs.
Sticks. Dobby dog.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, Mom is getting poked in the stuff with things and stuff. Here you go, guys.
Oh, I can. Oh no, it might be upside down this whole time.
I turned it a couple different ways.
Right where? What's up, guys? Just got home. Wow, I totally did not mean to say that. I totally meant to actually say I've been home, but I always say that when I come home. So yeah, that was a straight up lie. I've been home. Anyways, just got done editing a video. It's funny because the same video that I just got done editing was the same video that pissed me off earlier and what caused me to break my controller and get it replaced today. Ha! It's funny how that works. Anyway, I don't know what the video's problem was, but it wouldn't export and it froze, made the computer freeze, and forced me to close down my project right as I was pressing the export button, which was really annoying. But it's working now, so we're good. Anyway, just got done eating dinner and chicken burger with what did I have with it? I don't remember. Oh, no, I do remember. Salad, tossed salad, potato salad. Yeah, good stuff. Anyways, I'm doing a load of laundry right now. Again, I had to do the bedclothes yesterday's And then today I'm doing my actual, like, clothing. So, yeah, I ran out of jeans to wear, clean jeans, so I had to do my laundry again. And, I'm probably going to be in the rest of the night unless somebody hits me up at, like, last second. But it's already, like, 7:30 at night. And I really don't have any desire to go out anywhere. Then again, there's nowhere to go out tonight. I mean, technically, but I don't have money for that shit. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new for the latest content. Click like. Whoa. Click like if you enjoyed, let me know. And you'll see me in the next one. So, peace out, guys. Stay awesome.